Welcome to my video on the Seville Classics 10 drawer organizer cart assembly process. This is the instructions and parts list. Here are the parts. Here are the side frames and crossbars. I first separated the casters and sleeves. You'll notice there are locking casters and non-locking casters. I put the sleeves on the casters and locking casters. And then I put the sleeves in the crossbars. Then I took the crossbars and washers. And the washers have a flat side and a non-flat side. And I got the bolt. So make sure that when you put these washers, that you put the curved side towards the side frame. And I found it easiest to put the bolt in first and then the washer onto the bolt. Then screw on the crossbar. And then go to the other side. The bolt goes through the side frame. As you'll notice in this picture, I have the washer on the wrong way. So please make sure that the curved side is towards the side frame. After all four sides were done, then I went up to the top and put the shelf on. Next, I started working on the screws and knobs and placing them in the drawers. Make sure the head of the screw is inside the drawer and the rest of the bolt is going out. And then just screw the drawer pull knobs onto the screw. And the drawers just slide in the rails. So here's my attempt with one hand of trying to hold the camera and one hand of trying to put the drawer in. But it wasn't too difficult. And the final product, the Seville Classics 10 drawer organizer cart. This project took about 30 minutes to complete, as you can see with my photos. Please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below. I always like reading people's comments.